Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you the plastic sorting and recycling process machine step by step. Okay, before I start, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel to see our new video. Okay, and now let's see our machine. Okay, let's start. This project is linked to LabVIEW system to see the results on our screen. Now the inductive sensor detects the presence of an iron in front of it. Then the LabVIEW with the Arduino send an order to the servo motor to push the object. Okay, then here we have an IR sensor. The role of the IR sensor here is to detect the presence of the plastic materials. That's mean when a plastic material is detected by the sensor push it on its tank to the next step. Now, and we assigned that we need 5 pieces of plastic on the lab view screen. So when it reaches the number 5, the alarm should be turned on. Now the stepper motor closed to form the cubic shape form, and of course we can change the cubic form and we can replace it with any form we want. And we are showing now that the plastic are melting now. Of course we are melting the plastic using a small gas. And of course it takes time to become 100% liquid. And now after 30 minutes the plastics become a liquid. Now we open the valve to start molding. As you see here, the plastic now start molding inside the square shape. And now after a 45 minutes the plastic liquid now becomes a solid, and now it's the time to open the stepper motor to drop the plastic piece. And here this is the plastic piece. This is our video. Please, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel to see our new video. And thank you for your watching.